Hey, what's up? This is Felicity here and welcome to another very exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, I show you how to create or make TV commercial of this product. The most important, you must create this in 3D. Create the 3D model in 3ds Max, Maya, Cinema 4D, no matter in which one you want to create this model. So then select all of them, go to File and go to Export and go to Desktop, change the format to OBJ and right here, Final, enter and select the faces to polygons. Click on Export. Done. And now time to going to After Effects, create a new composition and right here, Final Comp. Enter, set your composition screen to fit. Then go to Layer, New, Solid. And right here, Element 3D. Enter. Time to going to Effect. Video Copilot, Element. Okay, and now if you want to import your 3D products in Element 3D, you must go to on Scene Setup, click here and wait a little bit. So there is your Element 3D Scene Setup. Go to Import and click here and select the final OBJ, Open. Don't forget, the most important option is you must turn on the Use Auto Normals and click OK. Expand your 3D element group folder here and start from down, turn off. This one belongs to glass. Go to Presets, Physical, Glass Material, apply here. Select again and go to Setting, change the blend mode to Add. And the next one, let's turn off the third one, select this and apply Chrome. I don't want to make the same material for both of this. Let's go back to 3ds Max. Select the first one, Cap. Go to Material 3ds Max and let's change. Select an empty material slot. Change the material to green. OK. Apply again and select all of them. Go to File, Export Selected, Desktop and change to OBJ format and select the final. Save. Yes, and export. Then click on Done. Go back to After Effects and wait for the update. So now time to select this one is cup. I want to apply the chrome material on this and let's apply the white plastic material on this one. So now time to select next material, make glass material. Select this one and right click, copy material and right click, paste. Good. And now time to create the golden material for this one. Select the golden material here. Here is golden. But I don't want same material for both. Take a look. Let's go back to 3D and let's select. Right click, hide and select this one. Go back to material. Create another material slot. Change the color, apply again and right click, unhide. Select all of them, go to File and go to Export, select it. Then select again the final OBJ, replace on this one. Export. Then click Done. Go back to After Effects and wait for the update. Good. Let's see. Select the green material, turn off. This one is green. Let's make chrome material for this. And let's select this one, select apply the creamy material for this one, apply creamy material for this one, and let's select the first one. Let's find where is this one is material white. Yeah, this one is looking white. Let's change the environment reflection, select OK. Let's apply again the white material here, looking good. Okay guys, and now time to make or create the label for these products. I want to create the logo label here and another one for this one. Let's go back to, let's apply some material to find what is this. Turn off again and go back to 3ds Max. Let's create the logo label place. Right click. First you must change to edit poly and go to modify, select the edit poly and select the polygon, select these polygons to make logo place or logo label location. Select and go back to detach, turn on the detach as clone. Okay, turn off. Let's select the second and go back to editable poly, select the polygon. Let's select some polygons to create location or place for the logo label. I think enough. Click on detach, turn on detach as clone. Okay. Turn on mesh smooth and select the logo label model and go to modify, press S for the shield and zoom in, change the outer amount to 0.5. 0.2 is enough. Right click, convert to edit poly and zoom out, select the another one, apply shell, modify, good. Let's create material color for both of this. The first material apply here and the second material, let's change to different material. Okay, apply here and zoom out, select all of them, go back to file, export selected, desktop, select the OBJ format, apply on the final OBJ, click on export, then click on done. Go back to After Effects, Element 3D, wait for the update. Here is update. And now time to apply the logo on the glass. How to do this? First, click on OK. Create another new composition. Go to composition, new composition right here. Logo. Change the size to 500 pixel. Click OK. Go back to project, double click here and import logo PNG. Drop here. Press S, scale down the size and move it to center of the composition. Then go back to Final Comp, drop the logo composition to Final Comp, turn off. Select your Element 3D and go back to Effect Control, go to Custom Layers, Custom Texture Maps, apply logo, then go back to Scene Setup, zooming, select from the bottom. This first one is apply the golden material, and then we go to texture, select diffuse, select from here, logo, okay. Change diffuse color to white and change reflectivity to white. Okay, and let's see. Let's change this one to darker or whiter. Let's check another one. Select texture. Let's select logo. Change to white color and change this one to white color. There's a little bit problem because we must apply UVW map material here. The first select the empty material and go to basic color, double click on bitmap, then select the PNG or JPEG logo, no matter which one you want to use. Select the PNG and apply here. Then right click, convert to edit poly, and go back to modify, press UVW map. Select the box and expand, select the gas moon and change the direction little bit, maximize, change the logo size. Okay, turn off and right click, convert again to edit poly and select the another. Before applying, right click, convert to edit poly and then apply logo here, and then go to modify, press UVW map, select the box. Okay, select the Gazmo, press R for the rotation and move it down. Looking good. Okay, turn off and right click, convert to edit poly. Go back to file and export. Go back to desktop, go to change the format, OBJ, select the final OBJ and yes, export and wait. Done. And now time to going After Effects. Let's see the result. Let's apply again. Select this golden. Let's apply golden material and let's go to texture, select logo, okay. Now change to white color, change the golden color to dark and go back to diffuse, change the logo size and move it to center, move a little bit up. Here's click OK. Let's hide the background, the black color. Go to setting and change the alpha threshold little bit, 0.30, and go to reflection. Here is reflection. Change the reflection a little bit to white. Okay, let's go back to environment. Let's change the reflection environment. Go to material and go to environment, backlights, go to 2K and select this material. Not bad. Let's check another one. What about this? And let's see what about this one. Let's see this one or this one. Click OK and click OK. Let's create a new camera 24 millimeter. Click OK. Select element 3D, go to group 1, go to replicator and rotation, change the group 1, Y rotation to 150, and let's change the size by going to particle look, change the size, and change the position to here. Good. Let's go back to scene setup to create reflection here. بقدر قبض مفتاح شروع میشه ما اینی میسن فخلاص کنم سیس. Okay, go to create a new plan and move it down and change the size to make huge size and set here. Let's apply a different floor material. Let's see, let's check. This one is dark material, and right click, go to reflect mode, mirror surface. Let's see another one, and let's see this one, let's see this one. This one is not bad. Okay, click OK, and there is the floor reflected. Make little bit zoom out and move up, little bit zoom in. Okay guys, select again your element 3D solid and go to render setting. Go to lighting, change lighting to cinematic, and you can animate additional lighting rotation by going to rotation, expanded. You can make animate from there. Thank you guys for watching. This was about how to create commercial about 3D model products. Have a good time, good luck.